This is in a Costa. See,
Plus one is from LG. The
Oh, yeah. Oh, I caught you, Rex. Oh, what you up to, Uncle Junior?
I have something to spray down the bottom.
Okay.
And I for so many days, and every time I come up this time, the sun is too hot.
Yes.
Can't deal with it. So I think this is going to be our table, I think.
Okay. Here's the bumper of our old Nissan AD wagon. Where are you guys creeping to?
we're creeping outside with I'm creeping outside in my seat so I can see her. And see
Okay.
I'm not
And what are you doing,
scratching
Melody?
inside.
Okay.
Walking. She's walking.
And she is walking. Are you two off, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, well, we're gonna wake up here. Downstairs.
Are you two racing?
Get set, go. Big one.
You racing, T?
Yeah.
Right.
Free.
Oh, darling.
Oh well. Alright.
But one up.
Alright, if you get that corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. T, can you grab that corner over there? Can you grab that corner over there? Put your foot on the bottom.
On the base. Foot on the
Yeah,
base.
go on, push yours up.
To the first hole or where?
Yeah. As much as we can go. But,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
whip it.
Yep.
There you go. I'll do that.
Oi!
What?
these steps that's right there.
What's that, T?
Those lids will make some music.
Oh, the lids will make music, will they?
Yeah.
Good girl, Melly. Ooh, lovely.
Excuse me.
Hmm. Despite what it says on here, it's not actually for sale anymore.
Ah.
Yeah, just be careful of the washing lines.
All my hat off.
That is
Don't
true.
forget that.
What do we need, Hayes?
Look, you want stick.
Stand.
Yeah.
Do you think you can help Daddy carry it?
Yeah.
2 hands, good girl.
Oh, you're really such a good help.
Well done, Hazel.
Alright, pop it down.
We'll leave
Pop
them
it down there.
Good job, sweetie.
I got these snail shells.
Oh, lovely. You found some more. Where do you keep finding these? Oh.
They're everywhere. In this one.
Lovely. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Right, don't worry about that. Look, we've been trying to have a barbecue now for what, like about 2 weeks, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Never have. It's always been like on the days we can do it when you're not at work.
Yeah,
It's been like it's either been raining or we haven't
something
been,
else to
Yeah, we
do
haven't
or
been-
somewhere to go.
We
Or
literally haven't been able to do it.
watch out,
Jumping in. You can't.
Theo. Don't jump. I don't 5 on 1 lot of 4.
Look.
Good maths, T. Oh, what have you found, Hayes?
I found a lemon.
Ah, what? I don't even know what it is, but do put it down. Put it down.
It's a lemon, Mum.
It's not quite. It's not a lemon. If it was a lemon, it would be bigger and it would be a bit more yellow.
One
This is
day,
charcoal.
when I was fixing, I saw a small tube, and it was changing.
It's actually chucking it down now, isn't it?
Yeah.
T,
it's
can you come
raining
under here?
properly. Come, Mel. Come.
Oh, I got
Come sit down. Come.
what I found.
Oh, a shell.
Look what we found. Mom, what we found.
So we decided to keep these.
Yeah.
Mom, look.
They're snail shells.
Great.
They can't hurt you. Did you want my stick?
Good, we got the gazebo up.
Yeah.
You telling Rex no?
Oh no, I've scared the goats off.
I don't like the rain, remember?
Do they not?
I hate the rain.
I didn't realise you had so many goats.
Look, Rex rolling out. Rex. What a tiny baby one. Look.
What's that one there?
A baby one. Look. The big mommy one has come up. And look, the baby running up.
Mmm.
Joe!
Nice relaxing, guys. No, the coal.
On this,
Getting too hot.
yeah, it's going to be it's going to be small, don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
Take some of this off. Are you sure? Do you turn the edges for now?
Just put your hand at the catch. When you catch, you're good.
Mom, we got another smoke.
Yes, very smoky indeed.
Yeah.
Because of the
I'm
Ooh.
gonna get
Have
outside
a barbecue.
and use this.
I'm gonna.
hook back the catch.
Hey.
Just keep building it. Sticking a bit more on.
When that fire does that thing, it turns into smoke and creates
Go on.
a science experience.
A science experiment
Or experience.
or experience.
A science experiment.
Shoe.
What you got there, Hazy?
Twigs.
You went and
I
found
found them over there.
Oh, thank you, darling. I didn't even ask you to do that, did I?
No. But
There
I
you
got
go.
spotted them.
Yeah, and you just spotted them up.
Yeah.
For it to die down a bit, put a bit more on.
Of
And
course.
close it.
Dad.
Went up very quickly today, so that was good.
Dad. Look what I found.
Wow.
What have
What have
you
we
found
got?
now?
Ooh, a match.
Ooh.
Can this go in?
Uh-huh.
Well done, thanks.
Another stick. Oh, God.
Alright, guys, you need to stay back from this because it's going to be red hot.
Melly, come away.
Nelly, get away.
Come, Mel.
Dad, I found.
So, guys, you can't come past this
Dad,
line.
look. No. What?
I know what vehicle. Coal.
Don't know where we got this from.
And trains run with coal.
Found a map.
You shouldn't really be playing on the steps.
What was
I want to do it, but I ain't going to.
Then
snail
And
shell?
corner, and we stay out of the fire corner, don't we, Melody?
the line's coming from over there.
Sick, man. Check out this buckle.
Ooh,
Cheese, man.
that's an it.
Is that your new fashion accessory?
The fire.
Just found it on the floor.
Fire corner makes
Diamante
an
and that.
experiment.
Your whole outfit's gonna
Yeah.
be fines, isn't it?
Yeah, probably. Alright, here's the chicken. So right, look, I'm gonna marinate this chicken.
Have you got the jar out?
Yeah, man.
What was that?
Alright, firstly I'm gonna chuck it in this bowl.
Wash it. No, dear, don't need to.
But there's only two left.
So we're gonna wash it.
Guys, can we get out the fridge? Out the fridge, out the fridge.
Does this smell alright?
It's a little smell. There's a little smell.
It's supposed.
It doesn't stink bad though. There's a little smell.
I'm glad I'm washing it anyway. Probably.
It's not.
What are you? And then I'm gonna work some of this on it. Use about half the bloody bottle, but whatever. That's all we got.
We're working with what we have here, so apple cider vinegar's gone on.
And water. I mean, it's still vinegar.
Yeah, of course.
Just posh vinegar, man, basically. So we got some chopped garlic that Misha is kindly chopping up. I was going to do it. And then we went for some Walkerswood traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning mild for the picnics because they can't handle any spice. But I would have gone for the hot one, just so you know, guys. Yeah, hey.
Spicy.
Is it Scallion or Scallion? For real, let us know. Here's the scallion that we got. Where do we get this from again? Megamart.
Shout out Megamart. We don't see much onions here, so.
No, they don't really use onions as much, do they?
No.
They mainly use scallion. So.
Whatever it's called.
Alright, this has been stewing in there for about 20 minutes. What I do is I take like a scoop and then we have like mackerel usually, don't we, with salad every single day basically. Yeah, it's healthy
It's
though,
true.
man. It's complete nutrition there.
It's the water.
So look, this is our colander. I made this. Here, pour 'em.
It's good, to be honest. It works very well.
Yeah, so look, you just stick it down the sink.
In fact, I'm going to do about 6.
And then you just take like the thing that you're going into. Pour that over them one more time. Let that drain out. And then whack them in the rice. Oh, it's going to burn off anyway, it's just vinegar on the chicken. Anyway, that's gone. I've told you already.
What is it?
It's the Walkerswood traditional jerk. It's made in Jamaica, this thing as well. So I don't know how much to use. It says for an ounce of jerk seasoning. I have no idea how much to use.
Just put it on so it's like coated.
Here it is. So is that a good enough amount? I don't know. I'm gonna go for 2. That seems.
It seems.
Does that seem
amount.
hefty?
And hold on, there's a glove here.
I don't care. I'm in. I don't
I'm
know.
just letting you do your thing.
I don't know if this should be in dry or wet or what have you. I don't know. This is the first time I've jerked any chicken. Now I've eaten jerk chicken a trillion billion times.
You could have pat it dry, but it's all right. Doesn't
You
matter.
pat it on dry.
You could pat it dry, yeah, with like a napkin, but it doesn't matter.
Pat it dry.
Do your thing.
What do you mean pat it dry?
Do your thing.
What do you mean by pat it dry, darling?
You were saying like it's all wet.
You can tell me.
You were saying it was all wet, so I was saying you can get a napkin and like pat it dry if you didn't want the wetness.
Oh, I
as
don't
much.
care about the wetness. Would you put more than that on, or is that a lot? Or is
think
that
that's
enough?
plenty.
But the thing is, because we're not really letting it marinate, it's only going to have like half an hour to marinate, isn't it?
It's fine.
I just caned it, I think, is my... So here it is. Here's me jerk chicken. It's all in there. We'll see how... You should see the look. Misha's got a hand on her hip. She's not impressed because I'm just having fun, living my best life with the jerk.
You are a jerk.
So that's done. That's done. I'm gonna let that marinate, wash my hands off, and then we'll get back to that.
Sardine mixture. My secret mixture that's gone on there. See if you can guess what I've added on whilst Toby left the room.
Barbecue sauce, by the looks of things.
No comment. No comment. It's a secret.
Yeah, okay, pal.
Come, sweetie.
He doesn't wear that. You'll fall onto the ground.
Got to climb over.
Yeah.
isn't it? Here's your.
Mum.
This is my tool. This is what I use, a little bit of rebar. This is actually the first time that we're using this pan. I bought it like, wasn't that much money, trust me. I bought it like, what, a few months ago, didn't I? We never used it. I've been trying to break out to use it, but we just not had the chance. And so we're here now. Here's the chicken that me and Misha marinated earlier. Misha added her famous barbecue sauce to it.
Secret sauce. Secret.
So look how dark it is up here, guys. Do you know what the time is? It's 2:30 on a Saturday afternoon. And like the clouds, I checked out the weather and it said it was going to be a bit cloudy. But look at this, man. It's like 7 o'clock at night or something.
Hopefully it's coming across how dark it is.
Yeah.
But we better get this done.
We feels like, well, it's literally, look, it's like 20 to, this is a bit fast. It's 20 to 3. So it's just setting it up now for dinner. Yeah, but it's so dark out here.
Oh, let me show you. Look at this picture. It's quite old now. There's Toby. Look at little Hazy, Theo, and look at baby Melody. She's actually like a proper baby there. But yeah, that's the time as well. It's 2:41.
Sizzle. I might move them along. Hopefully they don't get too stuck to this because it's like never been used and I ain't greased it. But it's been in there for a little while. And then we'll use, here you go. We'll use this sauce obviously to lather back on. If I can get this big boy bit up on there, crumbs. So all right. So far, so good.
Oh, even the baby's looking up at the sky.
I'm looking up at the sky.
Look at those mountains over there.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's dark, but beautiful. They're going in because they know it's going to chuck it down.
Yeah, they're all going in to the goat.
Yeah.
Hazy, come over here. Get the chairs in.
Coming in a bit more, TT.
We're having a great time here. Yeah. Hello.
Hey.
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 Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Hey.
Sharon there. Where's Sharon?
Hello, Sharon. Yeah, he was, but I don't know where she is. Hello, Sharon. Hello, Sharon. Hello. Hello.
Sounds a bit cold out.
I bring the chair back in.
What about throwing more meat?
You're in. Are you getting wet, you mean?
Yes, we are.
It's alright, it's not that bad. It's a little bit of spray from the...
Mum, I think we're gonna need a bigger.
Oh, hello, everybody.
I think we're gonna need a bigger range.
Oh, well, there's Lightning. We very well may have to abandon ship because, well, okay, there's the Lightning, there's the Thunder, sorry, but the Lightning was like 10, 15, 20 seconds, but we'll see. No, we'll stay out for a bit because you guys will just go in if it starts getting... Hey, Melly!
Hey, Mel!
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, I did. We can finish the chicken up in the oven.
Yeah, of course, we can just pack up and bail.
What do you think?
Well, right now it's fine, we'll just stay here. See, that's miles and miles and miles away. So, there is a lightning storm happening, so don't judge.
Look, I got another tree.
Wicked. But we're under the tarpaulin, and then obviously we've got the tent, which we call a gazebo in the UK, but they call it a tent in Jamaica.
Need a bigger gazebo.
A gazebo, yeah.
A bigger gazebo.
And
You're right, TT.
it's not cold. It's a bit windy, but it's not actually cold. So we're just going to stick it out for a bit. To be honest, it is looking very blustery.
That's it.
It's all right, Mel. You just go down there for 2.
Here, Dad. Can you have these twigs? Because they're for you.
Thanks, Hazy. So the lightning's gone again. Melly doesn't want to stay on her seat.
Dad, let's put it down.
Are we going in or are we staying out?
Ow. Oh, no.
Oh! Bloody ember. It happens. You have to do that with your eyes shut so you don't get an ember in your eyeball. So, can you confirm that it was sunny about an hour?
It was sunny.
It was absolutely scorching
It was lovely.
this morning, and even
Like, hence how we're dressed. Like, look at our clothes.
Yeah,
It was lovely and sunny and bright and
Yeah.
hot. We had the aircon on in the car, and like now look at it.
yeah, literally,
It
like
smells good out here though. It smells like quite nice and smoky. It smells lovely.
yeah.
I need some room.
It's
What do you
still
need
all right.
room
It
for?
ain't cold. He keeps on saying it's cold. It's not cold, is it?
No, it's not.
Nah. Did you see that lightning?
Yes, I did. I saw it. I saw like 2 flashes.
So look, that's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Belly.
So what's that? 11 miles away or something like that. I don't know. I'm not really sure. Well,
Yeah, I heard it.
I heard it. I heard it.
Belly,
Now
be careful.
4 strokes of lightning.
Have ya? You have actually. That's right, T.
What's that?
He's heard 4 strikes of lightning.
Oh,
He
has it been
said.
4?
Yeah.
Mummy said 2, but it's been
Nah,
4.
nah. Oh yeah, it'd be more than 2, pal. But
Well,
we're not doing great, to be honest. There you go. See that lightning?
yeah, I saw it. Depending on
1,
how this
2,
goes, we might
3,
have to bring it into
4,
the oven.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I think
It's moving further away.
it's moving further away.
Hey.
But that's like so inaccurate. It's ridiculous. It's probably about the same as before, like 11.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Take cover, everyone.
We're undercover, aren't we, Hayes? Aren't we, T? Mum's just gonna go in and check the food.
Check
Bring
in.
Melody with me.
Oh, thank goodness.
I want
You
to
go then, go. If you want to leave Daddy out here. T, are you going? Or are you staying with Daddy?
I'll stay with
Yes, respect. Big man ting.
you. I'm still cold.
Yeah, I know, but don't worry, it ain't too bad. So you're essentially slow cooking the. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21, so that's like, it's coming from over there, right? Look, this is my selfie. We did a barbecue in a lightning storm. But we didn't actually plan on doing a barbecue in a lightning storm. It was supposed to be roasting hot. Anyway, so yeah, look, it was like 10, 11 seconds. Now it's 20, 21 seconds. So it's definitely pushing on. Thank you, Jesus. So yeah, I think we're all right. I think we're good. Hopefully the weather holds up. T, you excited about starting school, mate? Come and chat to me, big man. T, come and chat to me, big man. Thanks for sorting out the chairs, mate. Come in. T, who are you? You're my... Yeah, but you're my... You're my...
But it's still raining on me.
Move in more. You're my superstar, aren't you? You're my number one. Oh, my back. Yeah, we better move in, T. That's always happens, isn't it? Like, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There you go, 18. 18. Who are you?
Hazel.
Who's that smelly bottom?
Hazel.
Hazel Pooey Pants?
Yeah.
Who's
Hazel Pooey Pants.
No, Hazel Pazel.
Hazel Pooey.
Ah. Oh, I'm doing wickeds.
Get your trousers. Oh wow, it's brightened up. Oh, I saw that brightening. Right, the rice is done. We got some macaroni and cheese done with the salads done. Well, it looks like the weather's actually brightening up a little bit. I can still hear thunder, but it's getting a little bit brighter. No rain, the rain stopped, so it's passing through.
Look, I see some of the blue sky.
Yeah, I can see some blue sky. Hopefully it's heading in our direction, T.
What is a direction?
No, I'm just gonna. Alright, it's in there right now, and it's, you know, you can see there's smoking. I don't know if it looks any good or not, but we're gonna.
What's up? No, because they're Sharon's. It doesn't matter as long as it captures it.
Do you want to sit over there?
On that. I found another thing.
Oh, well done, sweetie.
There.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah, alright, anyway.
I found thing.
Hold on, Melly.
Alright. Wagwan bread bins back again.
Hey.
We tried to have a barbecue and cook some jerk chicken, but
It's been a bit touch and go, hasn't it, with the
it
weather?
was been
And
terrible.
it's been
Man.
raining.
Yeah, you
has.
guys wimped out and went inside. Can I ask you a question?
did, but we were cooking,
Why
weren't we?
is your baby? Why has it got? What's in its mouth? Why has it got a mouth stuff? Who stuffed the paper in there?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Oh yeah, likely story.
Who do you think
Whoa!
did it?
See that lightning? Did you see that lightning?
I did, yeah, I did. I saw it again.
Okay. Anyway, it's been a lightning storm, but it's like over there. The chicken's just like cooking, so we're just gonna have a little sit down and have a little chat about things.
Can you hear that, guys?
Offered 6 strikes.
You've heard
Strikes.
six
You call it a strike, T.
I was counting them
Theo,
out.
have you been monitoring the strikes? You've been listening and watching them, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been.
Alright, so, Mummy, so the kids, they're going to school soon, aren't they?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're going to school soon. Are
On,
you go on.
on our own when we're big kids.
You are big kids now, aren't you? What?
The camera's not looking at us.
I know, yeah, the camera, the screen times out like well quick on this one.
It goes black just to save its battery.
Yeah.
So it is still like working.
Rolling.
But yeah. Very observant, you aren't you? So you're looking forward to school? You're gonna look very smart in your school uniforms, aren't you?
Yeah.
And what about you, Theo? Are you looking Theodore? Are you looking Theodore? I'm here. Are you looking forward to going to school?
So
Yeah. What
is it
are
about
you
school you're looking forward to,
school?
mate?
I don't know.
Playing.
That's nice.
What about the maths?
What games are you gonna be playing, darling? Yeah.
We played
did.
Boggle, didn't we?
And you like the spelling game called Bobble,
That's
don't
what we
you?
call it. Boggle.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. So anyway, what are the next developments? So look, at the moment we're waiting for the architect to come through with the drawing. He actually, Mish spoke to him yesterday, and he said that he'll probably be finishing it this weekend.
Yeah.
So as soon as the architect gets his drawing done, then I can start digging the trenches again.
That's right. Exciting.
And then after I've dug the trenches, I can try and do the foundations, and then after that I can do some block work. Yeah, but I'm not going to attempt putting the plumbing in or anything like digging the. I might dig the trenches, but I'm not going to do any of the pipe work. I don't think.
Oh, really?
Whoa! See that lightning again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. That was 14.
Oh, good counting, everyone.
And one more
You hear that?
Why do people take out?
Because we're counting like roughly how far away it is.
Yeah, so each second is like a mile, but it's not really a mile. All it means is that you know if it's getting closer or further away. And if it started being like 3 seconds, then we'd go in because it'd be basically directly over our head.
How's the food looking, Daddy?
You want my honest estimation?
Smells good. It looks good. It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Smells good.
Thanks,
Can't
Mummy.
wait to eat it.
I don't know. It looks very charred, and like charred isn't a bad thing, but you tell me what.
Theo, can you sit on the seat? Because you're going to fall and top if you fall off.
I'm here.
Just be sensible.
Yeah, this is sensible, muscles.
Muscles?
Yeah, muscle man.
How's your baby doing, Hazy? What's your baby's name?
Baby Annabelle.
Oh, Hazel. Oh, what a pretty baby. What's up, Mel?
Annabelle says.
T, do you want to come round here? Because we can't. Can we see you?
Not really, no.
No. Sit here like this.
Can they see me?
I think so, yeah.
Let's sit there. Alright, you alright, T?
Yes. Yeah, I am.
You boys were out here in the storm, weren't
Yeah, do you know what?
T?
Theo didn't want to go in.
Oh,
I was
did he
like, do you want to
like
go in?
it?
He's like, no, I want to stay here
Aw.
with Daddy.
Did you like the storm?
Well, you wanted to stay with Big Man Daddy Boy, didn't you, T?
Oh, you're good. Are you protecting Dad? Looking after Dad?
He's my hero,
You
T.
don't want to look after Dad.
You're my
What's that,
superstar,
hey?
aren't you?
I don't look after
You're my superstar, aren't you, T?
Is Annabelle talking, is she?
Yes, I am.
Well, even though she's got a mouthful of paper, she's managing to get her words out.
Yeah. I say them.
Okay, fair enough.
Feel all that smoke.
What's
You
that,
do
Muscles?
say them.
Feel all that
She's
smoke.
got
I
a
know, it's
lovely
coming out
voice.
now, isn't it? The smoke. It's really actually getting going now.
That's good.
Yeah, we should have probably, this is about when we probably should have actually started to put the chicken on, but I didn't want it to like take all day and you know.
Yeah, I hear ya.
Didn't want it to take a million years.
I wish we could.
Again, it smells good.
Yeah, man. So how's your work going, Meech?
Yeah, work's going good. So this week is the end of my 5th week. Yeah, the end of my 5th week, and it's going good. It's as the weeks have gone on, it's getting a little bit busier. I don't want to say busy actually. Busy's the wrong word. It's getting more steady.
You're getting some actual people, clients coming in now, aren't you?
Yes,
Hopefully
the phone
it
is
picks
ringing.
up, but
I'm
it needs
getting
to
quite
pick up big time.
When baby Annabelle talks, she makes me fun.
You laugh.
When that laugh.
Oh, I'm glad you two have jokes, you and baby Annabelle.
Are you a bit tired,
Baby
T?
Annabelle talks their jokes.
We're
And
bring the
they
fire
make me funny.
Oh,
Bring the
Hazy.
fire cord.
You're so lovely. I think Melody's a bit tired. So yeah, work's getting more steady as the weeks are going on. The phones. Hold on, Hazy. Hold on,
Mummy,
darling.
I'm a bit tired too.
Oh, you'll have to go inside for a nap.
I
The
don't
phone.
know. I don't know if I don't need to go inside for a nap. I can see from Mummy.
Okay. Oh, that's a good idea. Go on, you pat her to sleep and pat her back. Good girl. So yeah, the phone's beginning to ring a little bit more.
So you'll
My
find
days
it.
are getting like a little bit busier, as I said, getting a few more bookings, but it's still nowhere near where I'd like it to be. But off to a decent start, indeed.
For everyone.
So now, as of this week, I'm working in 3 locations. Before, I was working in just 2. I was working in Mandeville and Maypen, and my 3rd location I've managed to add on is working in Kingston. So 3 days, yeah, it's going well. It's tiring, but it is going well. And like now I'm figuring out other bits as well. I'm trying to figure out like where I'm ordering stock from. I'm trying to talk to suppliers. I'm in the process of potentially setting up insurance so people can pay using their health card. That's something I really want to get set up for people. But as I say, so far got off to a good start. 5 weeks on and a good start. I want to improve, but I am happy with where things are at the moment.
Go on, T. Let me see your skills on this scooter.
I got this scooter.
I know, Hazy. You don't have to tell me about that.
And I'll teach you how to scooter. Really? Go, Mommy, go! Look at my Mommy,
Go on, TT.
I'm okay. Baby.
I can scoot and do
Go on then. Let me see your scootering skills.
jump.
I'm not ready.
Go on.
Oh, what a lot of kidney beans.
Come on. Yeah, I know, Hazy. Come on. Let me see your scootering, man. Here you go.
I can't see what I'm doing.
Just hanging out with Rex, man. My dog. What? Did you woof?
No, it was Rex.
That was you. You went woof.
Oh no, it's Rex.
T, come and give Rex a stroke.
Rex. Well done, Hazy.
Hey, I'm always joking, Rex.
Oh, yeah.
Ask if that dog would be considered a Jamaican brownie.
Would you like Jamaican brownie?
Hazel's asking. Go on, Hazel.
Would you like to be Jamaican brownie?
Would you like to be a Jamaican brownie? Say, is this dog a Jamaican brownie?
Is this dog a Jamaican brownie?
Good question, Hazel. Good.
Wait, look.
What's that?
Smelling that toothpaste.
He's going to have very fresh, clean teeth, isn't he, in a moment?
Hazel.
Sniffing
That's
about.
not a good idea. You can't carry the baby and Scooter. Theo, do you want to come stroke the dog?
Come on, put your hand out. That's it. Good
Well
boy.
done, Theodore.
Well done.
Good job, darling.
Good man. Good man. Don't worry, you're the boss, T.
Yeah,
remember.
you are the
T,
boss.
T, you're the boss. You're the boss.
Put the wood down.
Put the stick down. Put the stick down.
You're the boss.
What's he doing?
Theo.
Theo's a little scared of the dog because it tried like chewing his leg off one time when he was wearing some
Didn't
Crocs.
try chewing his leg off.
Oh,
It went
you
for
weren't
his
even-
foot
you
and
weren't
it went
even
for the
there.
croc. The dog likes rubber to chew.
Anyway,
and
it was
likes
like
their
it
Crocs.
proper went like this. Proper went like this. Like proper. Do you know what I mean? Like a savage beast. And like ever since, honestly, and Theo was fine before that, and ever since then, like it did actually like you know nibble his ankle a bit, didn't it, T?
Hazel.
So ever since then, he's been a bit scared. So hopefully, like he can get over his canine phobia.
We'll see. Yeah. You're very interested in Rex, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I stroked him on stroking like this.
He likes it, doesn't he? She. Good girl, Melly. Good girl.
Why does it not snow in Jamaica?
Not snow.
Good girl.
Too hot.
No, it isn't too hot.
Yes, it is. No, it's not.
It's a nice dog.
Pass it here. Pass it, Mummy.
Gentle.
Pass me the camera. Mummy.
Mum, pass. And we don't have food outside in Jamaica.
Who's asking this question?
Me!
Annabelle.
Annabelle!
It's too. Thing is, with Jamaica, it's too hot, darling.
Oh, that's why it's too hot.
Yeah, it's too hot in Jamaica. There's the sun is too bright. It's too hot.
Oh, I wondered why.
Well, now you know.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Yeah, now you do though, right?
No, I don't know that. My name is Baby Annabelle.
Well, now you know. Now you've been told. Are we gonna have chicken soon?
I'm so hungry.
Mum.
All right, we're gonna check on the chicken. Doing a chicken check. Come in. I mean, I don't really know.
Looks lovely. Looks absolutely delicious.
Doesn't it look a bit charcoaly?
I don't mind. I don't mind it when it's like done
Thing
like
is,
that.
yeah,
Looks lovely.
look, I'm gonna be real
I'd
with you.
rather know it's cooked.
All right, have a look at this bit. Is that overcooked?
Looks lovely. If it's cooked, I'm happy. I'd rather it be overcooked than not cooked or undercooked. It looks delicious. Looking good to me.
Oh, damn it, we've lost a chunk. I mean, That looks cooked, right?
Of course it is. Dog's here, waiting for a little taste, hoping that something's gonna come his way. We haven't got any to spare, Rex. We've got no food to spare. We can have the bones and that's it.
Yeah, it is. What? Here's my plate.
Cardboard and some foil. It is cooked. Smells absolutely delicious, guys. Honestly, my stomach is rumbling. It smells so nice. Ooh. It smells so nice. Wait. Not yet. Right, guys, let's go get your water bottles. Let's get your water bottles. Stop. You just stroked him. I'll be back in a sec.
All right, so
Wanting to get our water bottle.
well, I was out here. I just didn't think Rex would. I just didn't think Rex would actually pull the chicken off. To be honest with you.
Now we got no dinner.
Well, you can still eat it. Put it back.
I'm not eating that.
All right, mate.
I'm not eating that.
Okay, flipping on.
But I am.
Go.
We can't eat it, Hazel. It's on the floor, and now the dog's had its lips all over it. It's nasty lips. I'm not happy.
Yeah. Well, who's up? Who's up for the jerks, Jack?
Me.
I've been out here hours cooking. And I've cooked the rice, I've cooked the peas, I've done some salad. Oh, my stomach's rumbling as well. I'm so hungry. Theo, just let the dog have it. Just let the dog carry on eating.
No, just leave. I'm gonna.
He's pulled it on the floor.
Well,
Rex strikes again.
Rex, while I was tending the barbecue and Mummy had gone in, Rex jumped up and pulled a piece. I guess he pulled the whole lot off, but he pulled a piece of chicken off.
Mind out with the barbecue.
And dragged it all on the floor. And I mean, with you, I'm pretty sure that he only actually got his lips on this one. But I'm not 100% on that. And it's been on. Well, them ones aren't on the floor. Would you eat that?
I am not eating them. No way. And neither are the children. No one's having
Theodore, get off the dog.
Probably wants his piece of chicken back.
The thing is, do you know what? The thing is now I'm going to chuck the chicken in the bush, yeah? But the dog's going to eat it. And then the dog, that's just going to encourage the dog to do that more. Oh, well. All right, here you go. Come on in. Hurry up, because it's like 4 o'clock.
What are we doing?
Hot footing it to the jerk shack, mate. Are you yes or no?
Yeah, I'm starving.
All right,
I'm
I'm going to the jerky. Can you get these bits in quickly? Come on, let's go. Oi, guys, we need to go out. Hurry up.
Okay.
Hurry up. We want to.
Everything away.
Yeah. One bread bins back with another one. So we're
driving, aren't we? Yeah, we're driving off to get some replacement dinner.
Well, not replacement dinner, replacement chicken.
Yeah.
So the dog jumped up and snatched the chicken. It'd be my fault, obviously.
So annoyed.
And
what can you do?
To be honest with you, I used to like Rex, but like I was soft with her as a girl. But then I saw her trying to eat Theo's shoe and bite his leg, and then ever since then I'm like, you're actually a wicked dog. You know what I mean?
She's got a wicked streak
to her.
She's wicked.
Yeah, anyway, so we're quickly trying to hot foot it down to the jerk centre. There's about 10 jerk spots down, like not too far away from us. And obviously Misha done the salad and the rice and that, so we like literally, we just need some replacement meat, don't we, Misha?
Yeah, my stomach's rumbling. I'm so hungry. Are you alright, guys? Yeah.
That
I know
dusty
you're hungry.
dog.
Yeah.
That dusty dog nicked all my chicken. Why are you laughing?
Because you're funny. It's not even funny, but you're funny. I'm getting hangry. I'm so hungry.
Mate, I've not
And like
eaten.
when you're there and the smell of the food and like you kept looking at it and I was just, oh, my mouth corners just watering and just, oh, I saw it. I'm just hungry.
Yeah.
So hungry.
Yeah. So I've not eaten a morsel all day.
Yeah.
Did you have lunch? I don't know.
No.
I don't eat lunch or breakfast anymore.
I had leftover breakfast from the children.
I bet I haven't eaten any like lunch or breakfast since we come to Jamaica, and I've still got like a flabby muffin top. I don't like 4 months later.
And I'm wasting away.
Well, Misha, yeah, like I literally am eating like less than you.
Yeah.
I literally am, and I can just
wait.
It just won't come off of me. Like for real, I'm not eating any breakfast, any lunch. I'm having like a few cups of tea and maybe a cup of coffee in a day. And the only food I get is when I'm chewing it up for Melly, basically. No, I swear, like, you know, like the residual like juice and bits in your teeth, like that's it. That'll be my lunch. Because we don't get baby food, we just chew up the food, you know what I mean? But anyway, and I'm still, look.
Whereas I can eat everything.
I've still got like, Misha's
I can eat everything and I can eat anything. And I struggle to put on weight. I really do. And I lose
like a breadstick.
I lose weight very easily.
Yeah.
And
Anyway.
we're kind of opposites.
Yeah,
in that
Misha
way,
thought I
aren't
was
we?
lying and say like I eat. Like now obviously like
yeah, I see.
I'm
you
not
don't eat
I've
anything
not
and you
eaten
still put on.
I'm not eating anything all day. Nothing. I'm not even fasting. It's just like I'm only eating nothing because I don't need to. Like I literally don't need to eat anything, and like I'm still fat. I must have had a heck of a lot of flab on me. Anyways,
Well, I've lost a lot of weight.
You've
since
lost
being here,
loads,
yeah,
loads, and you're still eating though.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, sorry about to change the subject, but
Yeah. Anyway, yeah,
we're going to the jerk centre. Going jerk centre.
Don't know which one. To be honest, I'm just up for whatever one's closest that can cook the quickest, so we can just get it home.
I reckon we should go to that one that you pull up to the side that's like got the grating and the grill and the sit, like, do you know what I mean?
sit down one.
Yeah, not the fish stock one, the one that's a little bit further up.
Okay, yeah, let's
I
do
think
that
that's more of a bit of like an in and out, like a cut and run type of a job.
Well, let's do it. I'm ready.
Anyway, once we've got the meat and we've plated it up, because we're going to take it home, we'll show you how far what we've done. All right, ciao. Jerk Centre, and it's this place, and it's pretty sick. Hey, come here. You ask the bloke if like. I'm just not gonna get to you. Let me get the sign in. Don't know what we're gonna get, like a half a pound of chicken or something. I'm not sure. Are you in
Maybe
there?
some fries.
Yeah. Well, we don't need fries. We've got rice at home, haven't we?
Yeah, let's.
Sides, festivals, Oh, your head is just your arm. Oh, look.
What's that?
See what we got, yeah. I better do the taste test. Yeah, I better just do the taste test. It's good. Yeah, you can go taste. Festival.
How's your festival thing?
This festival is like my favourite thing.
Go here.
You got the key, haven't you?
Yeah.
So how long were we in there for? 5
I
minutes?
feel like it's not enough.
I'll just it'll be fine.
Yeah. Not done.
Am I driving or you? Oh, you can, because you're on that side.
What side?
With the baby. Okay, so this, ooh, mac and cheese. So this should have been outside, but now.
Yeah, your daddy button.
There you go.
Yay!
You can have your one, Hayes. That's your one.
T, come around, sit around the dinner table, please.
Mom, can I have
Yours is coming, Melly.
Melly's very hungry. Thank you, Mummy. Yay!
I like the colour deep blue.
You like the colour deep blue?
How's yours going,
I'm
Hayes?
just drinking out my bottle.
No, your bottom, that's the other.
Here the doors.
I got that bottom.
What's your favourite bit on your plate? I can
Chicken.
guess.
That one and the chicken.
You know what Mummy's is?
What's your favourite
The
bit?
mayonnaise.
What's your?
Mine?
And that.
Obviously the chicken, guys.
Getting on, Mel. Good. Good girl.
Where is the bone?
In the middle of the table.
That's a really good idea. That's nice of you.
Oh, that's good sharing, T.
Yeah. He said if he had 100 tomatoes, he'd get 100 people and everybody could have one tomato.
It's very generous, darling.
I had
Touches your heart.
100 chicken and 100 noodles
What would you do?
Melody.
to all the people.
Melody.
You'd feed the world.
I would have some.
And I would give them to each of the people in the world.
Yeah, 100 chickens. Fruit punch and it is very weak, but to be honest, I'm not just saying this. It's nice. You're gonna have to share this with me since it's the last one.
Yeah, we got no more tang
Prefer it on the
powder.
weak side. Alright, I'm gonna chop up a mango how I always chop a mango up. Okay, now everyone's gonna cuss me out and say that I'm a scumbag, but this is how I've always done it my whole life. And yes, I've eaten mangoes my whole life because they've always been readily available to me in the UK. Alright, that was probably the worst way. That wasn't a good. Why is it? It's turned to juice and mush.
Just eat the mango. Just get what you can from it. Just eat it and enjoy it.
Alright.
Oh, I love a mango. Oh, this.
This mango is absolutely delicious. It's the flavours wonderful. Really
down.
good. So, do you guys? Who here eats the skin?
I mean, I'll eat it, but I'm not a skin
I
fan.
don't chew the skin up, but I scrape the skin.
Smells really nice.
It is.
How are you getting on, Hayes, with your dinner? Melody's just down there making a mess.
Well, the colour on your one's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Mine's like very, very ripe.
Peeled it like a banana.
Overripe. Yeah, I know.
Good job.
It's very Aren't you gonna eat that?
There we go.
Aren't you gonna eat that?
Gonna eat what, my love?
I like that.
Look, there's some goats out there. Alright, we're going to let these children finish their dinner. Just remember, if you like our videos, we always say please subscribe. Again, we're a very little channel, so click the subscribe button. It really helps our channel to grow and to blossom.
It's bye.
Well done.
Can I?
Hold on. And we always say if you can, share the videos as well and give us a thumbs up too. What did you say?
Can I slide the button?
And like Theo says, press the notification bell. Say bye.
Bye.
Well done.